AI model development is becoming increasingly sophisticated and specialized. Most model development teams get stuck before they even start, blocking real business value. The friction starts with connecting data, model selection, and development tools, making customizing resource-dependent, time-consuming, and expensive. Ultimately, resource-intensive heavy lifting and operational burdens can grind even the best teams to a halt. That's where Amazon SageMaker AI comes in. Get fully managed infrastructure with a broad set of tools and workflows to accelerate your AI model development lifecycle. From building, training, and deployment of AI models at scale for any use case. Start with SageMaker Studio, a single web-based interface for end-to-end AI model development that allows you to upload data, code in your preferred IDE, customize models, iterate between steps, and deploy to production all in one place. Need granular control? SageMaker HyperPod gives you the power to optimize infrastructure so that you can scale to thousands of AI accelerators while reducing 40% model development time and costs. Automate from end to end at scale. SageMaker MLOps provides purpose-built tools that accelerate every stage of model development so you can get to production faster. And with experiment tracking, model evaluation, and automated monitoring, you can keep your AI models accurate in production. With all of this working together, you can drive real AI transformation across your organization. The ability to efficiently build, train, and deploy AI models becomes your competitive edge, so you're always ready for what's next. Accelerate AI model development today. Get started with Amazon SageMaker AI.